The best foods, smoothies, and supplements for a liver cleanse detox. Our liver is responsible for several vital bodily functions, including the cleansing of blood, protein synthesis, and metabolizing nutrients. However, consuming a lot of junk, unhealthy, and fried food can overload our liver and cause it to become fatty, inflamed, and scarred. This can hinder its ability to detoxify our body and can lead to various health issues like fatigue, weight gain, and even liver disease. So it's important to give our liver some tender love and care with a good cleanse detox. And in this video, we'll share with you the best foods, smoothies, and supplements that can help you in your liver cleanse detox journey. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. What is a liver cleansing detox? But first off, let's clear the air about liver detoxes. There is a common misconception that the liver stores toxins, but in reality, it's responsible for detoxifying our body by converting fat-soluble poisons into water-soluble substances and getting rid of them through bile ducts. When we talk about cleansing or detoxing the liver, we're actually talking about reducing the amount of fat and inflammation in our liver. This is important because the more fatty our liver is, the less it can function properly in detoxifying our body. However, the liver is a robust organ that can regenerate itself even with just 20% of its cells left. But when it reaches a point of severe damage, such as cirrhosis, a liver transplant may be required. So, to keep your liver healthy, it's important to avoid excessive alcohol consumption and high fructose intake, as these are the top causes of fatty liver disease. Now, let's look at the best foods, smoothies, and supplements that can help in a liver cleanse detox. Best foods for liver cleanse. Detox. To start off our list of the best liver cleansing foods, we have cruciferous vegetables. These include kale, arugula, mustard, broccoli, cauliflower, collard greens, wasabi, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, horseradish, turnips, and cabbage. These vegetables are all rich in a natural phytonutrient called sulforaphane, which is known for its ability to detoxify the liver and reduce inflammation. They also contain specific enzymes that help break down chemicals in our body and promote healthy liver function. Next on the list are beets. These vibrant root vegetables are high in antioxidants and contain compounds that increase bile production, which aids in eliminating toxins from the liver. Beets also help trigger the 2 phases of detoxification, making them an essential food for a liver cleanse detox. You can add raw beets to your salad or steam them for a tasty and nutritious side dish. Another superfood for a healthy liver is blueberries. While every type of berry is packed with antioxidants, blueberries are especially beneficial for liver health due to their low sugar content. They can help reduce fibrosis and inflammation in the liver, making them an excellent addition to your diet. Foods that are high in choline, such as egg yolks, fatty fish, beef liver, and broccoli, are also crucial for eliminating fat from the liver. When it comes to healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and seafood are highly beneficial for reducing inflammation in the liver. On the other hand, omega-6 fatty acids found in seed oils like corn, soy, and safflower oil can worsen liver problems. So, it's important to focus on consuming healthy sources of fats to support liver health. High-quality protein sources like eggs, grass-fed beef, and fatty fish are also essential for a healthy liver. These proteins contain amino acids that support the liver's detoxification processes and promote healing. On the other hand, low-quality protein sources like plant-based protein powders, soy protein powders, and whey protein should be avoided, as they can strain the liver and increase inflammation. Lastly, adding probiotic-rich foods to your diet can also benefit the liver. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and pickles contain beneficial bacteria that support detoxification and reduce inflammation in the liver. So, if you want to give your liver some extra love, try to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. but make sure to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Best smoothies for liver cleanse. Detox. Now, let's talk about some delicious and nutritious smoothies and shakes that can help support liver health. While there are many recipes, 2 of them are particularly beneficial for a liver cleanse detox. The first one is a simple kale and blueberry smoothie. To make this, you'll need a cup of frozen kale, a cup of blueberries, and enough water to blend it all together. Simply mix everything for 30 to 45 seconds, and you have a tasty and healthy smoothie that's great for your liver. Another option is a blueberry kefir shake. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that contains friendly bacteria and yeast, making it a powerful probiotic food. To make this shake, combine 1 to 2 cups of kefir, avoid low-fat options, with a cup of blueberries and blend for 30 seconds. This shake is not only delicious, but also provides your body with probiotics and antioxidants to support liver health. And if you want an added boost, you can also add a handful of frozen kale to this shake. Apart from smoothies and shakes, another best drink for liver detox is a combination of apple cider vinegar and lemon. Apple cider vinegar can help strip fat off the liver, support blood sugar levels, and make insulin more sensitive, which is crucial for a healthy liver. On the other hand, lemon is high in vitamin C and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support detoxification. To make this drink, all you need is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 lemon, and 12 ounces of water. You can also blend the lemon with water to get additional benefits from the lemon peel. However, make sure to use fresh lemons instead of store-bought bottled lemon juice, which is usually pasteurized and lacks nutrients. Best supplements for liver cleanse. Detox. Okay, so we've talked about some of the best foods and drinks to detox the liver, but what about supplements? While a healthy diet should always be your first priority, certain supplements can also provide additional support for liver health. And to start off this list, we have milk thistle. Milk thistle is a powerful herb that has been used as an antidote for various poisons, including mushroom poisoning and snake bites. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, milk thistle is also great for reducing inflammation and preventing scar tissue formation in the liver. Next up, we have choline. This nutrient aids in fat metabolism and can help strip excess fat from the liver. You can either get this nutrient from foods like eggs, liver, and fish, or take it as a supplement. Turmeric is another powerful supplement for liver health. Its active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and fat accumulation in the liver. It can also help in wound healing, which is beneficial for liver repair. Purified bile salts are also great for reducing fat in the liver. Often, people with liver issues are deficient in bile, which can lead to a buildup of toxins and waste in the liver. Bile salts can help open up clogged bile ducts and improve the flow of bile for better detoxification. Probiotics are also crucial for liver health. These beneficial bacteria can help promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for proper digestion and detoxification. The last supplement on our list is tocotrienols, a powerful form of vitamin E that works 50 times stronger than regular vitamin E. It can help reduce inflammation and inhibit fibrosis in the liver, making it a great choice for those with hepatitis or any other type of liver inflammation. To sum it up, the best way to cleanse and detox your liver is to adopt healthy lifestyle habits and incorporate liver-friendly foods, drinks, and supplements into your diet. By doing so, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes and promote overall health and wellness. Also, avoid fried and processed foods, limit your salt and sugar intake, cut back on alcohol consumption, and stay hydrated to give your liver a break and help it function at its best. And most importantly, before making any significant changes to your diet or taking any new supplements, consult with your doctor to ensure they are safe and suitable for your specific health needs. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's crucial to seek medical advice before starting any detox program. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into how you can support your liver health and take a proactive approach towards detoxing your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content like this. Until next time, make sure to take care of your liver and treat it with the love and care it deserves.